Tosh Mukumov. It is from the YouTube a few minutes back. Assalamu alaikum. Dear Dr. Zakir, wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Could we pray in sujood in our language? As far as sujood is concerned, if you know Arabic as a language, it is the best. But if you don't know Arabic as a language, you can very well pray in the language you know the best. But, for example, if you know a dua in Arabic, Rabbana atina fid dunya, and then you don't read the translation, oh Lord, give me the best in this world and akhirah. No. Then, if you know the dua in Arabic, it is preferable to recite in Arabic. So, whatever duas, the masnoon duas, you know, and if you want to recite in sujood, of course, in Arabic is the best because that has been said in the Quran or it has been said by the Prophet, it's authentic, it's the best. But if you want to ask for something and you don't know Arabic language, you can surely ask in English, you can ask in Chinese, you can ask in Punjabi, in Urdu, no problem at all. But those du'as which are masnoon du'as, which you know in the Quran or the Hadith, then of course say it in Arabic, but what you want to say something of your own, like maybe you want to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may you do very well in the examination, or may you do very well in the business. And if you don't know Arabic, as a language, you can do dua in the language you know the best. And it is permissible. Hope that answers it.